Alright, opening it up, we have the handle, headphone. Opening it up, we have the headphones. We have a handle. That's one. Battery. Charger. That's the cord. That's the pod. Antenna. So that's one. Then you have two in this one. And then it came with two more. So that's your full 6. Alright. This is me putting it together. The antenna. Alright. Battery.
Power on.
Ooh.
Power on. 16.
Charger. And the little clip that goes right here. You just have to unscrew these and put the clip on. Plug it in and let it charge. That's it.